we're here with Mal from the Buccaneers. Now, you guys have had a massive weekend, 265 kilometres, 485 laps. Mate, talk us through it.
Yeah, look, great weekend. The weather in Sydney has been so kind to us. It had a little bit of a drizzle overnight, cleaned the track up, and just when it's a bit slippery, beautiful four-wheel drive, we just get out there and we just kill them. So, look, it's been a great weather, terrific event, really well organised. Our guys were terrific, the drivers all just meshed together. We had Glenn, who's our sort of strategist. He was calling fuel stops, he's calling driver changes. Just lovely. And the car's not the fastest. Have a look at the lap times. We're not the fastest car out there, but we just keep going. And we just took it easy towards the end. Yeah, great weekend. Great weekend.
Yeah, no, fantastic effort. Absolutely. Just consistent all weekend and just kept going around.
Yep.
No, congratulations, well done.
Yeah, look, we set ourselves a lap time. We go out, we do a fastest lap, and we go, okay, here's our lap time, everyone's got to meet it, and that's what we do. Yep, yeah. Pretty simple formula.
Fantastic. Well, always presented well and very consistent this weekend, and we look forward to seeing you at the next one.
Yeah, I think Wakefield Park for New South Wales, but I think we'll be in Mallala, I think is our next one in about a month's time.
Fantastic. Enjoy. We'll see you next time.
Well done, Mick. Thanks for the interview.